Hi, everyone. I am Naomi, and I am an instructional designer here at the University of Washington. My job is to work closely with your instructors to develop your hybrid courses and support your overall learning experience in the MSTI program. So I wanted to take a few minutes to walk you through what you can expect from this hybrid format. The hybrid MSTI is a 21-month part-time program, and it is designed for working professionals. It combines online learning with in-person hands-on experiences. The hybrid modality is a new offering, but it's been modeled directly off our full-time MSTI program, which has been refined over time based on industry feedback. The goal of the hybrid program is to maintain that same experience while making it more accessible to working professionals who might be working a day shift. So same learning outcomes, same industry alignment, a little bit more flexibility. In terms of your schedule, you'll have live online classes twice per week, and those will be on Tuesday and Thursday evenings. You'll also attend in-person lab sessions about twice a month, and those will be on every other Saturday usually. They'll also be located at our new Microsoft campus in Redmond. And then our prototyping labs are available throughout the week for additional hands-on time. So what does this actually look like for you? Well, each of your courses will have its own Canvas site, which will serve as your home base for that class. Each Canvas course has been designed using a clear, easy-to-navigate structure, so you'll always know where to find your materials, assignments, and any weekly expectations. Most of your asynchronous work will live in Canvas. In other words, you'll complete things like readings, recorded lectures, discussions, and assignments on your own time each week, typically in preparation for those live classes. Your online live classes will be more interactive. They're a chance to actively engage with the material, ask questions, collaborate, and start to apply what you've been learning. For these online classes, your instructor will actually be teaching live from our new distance learning studio, which is set up so that they can see your questions, interact with you, and guide discussions in real time. So it feels much more like a live class rather than just watching a lecture. Finally, your in-person sessions provide opportunities for hands-on work and direct connection with your peers and your instructors. So this is where you'll really apply what you've been learning in the course in a more practical, collaborative setting. And when it all comes together, the hybrid format gives you the best of both worlds. It really does have the flexibility of online learning and the connection and hands-on experience of an in-person class. Thank you for watching, and we're really excited to have you here in the MSTI program. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions.